how's it going? My name is Fuzz, and in this video I'm gonna show you how I made the song These Boys and kind of like the inspiration behind different elements and how the song was essentially made. So in case you don't know, my song These Boys, so right now on Spotify it has 30,000 streams, and on YouTube it has around 2,000 streams. So I'm really grateful, and to show my appreciation and kind of give back to you is I'm gonna show you how I made the song, and we're gonna break down the song, show you how every element was made and where my inspirations came from. So let's get into it. Okay, so inspiration, where the song came from and how it was made. First I heard the song called Mamma Mia by Hugo. He's a German DJ, and the song goes something like this.
What do you mean my card's been declined?
And the song is essentially a girl that's complaining to her sugar daddy that her card has been declined and she wants all of these different things bought for her. And I was like, okay, that's a cool concept. Like, it's a very, like, it has a dialogue and you're complaining about something. And so after talking to my friends and seeing a TikTok about kind of the struggles women go through when they're going on dates with guys, sometimes guys move too quickly, or I don't know, we do certain things. So, and they were complaining about how they were so informal about it, like come to my house and chill, and like they had really high expectations of, like, you know, going to a place and have food. So there was like a difference of expectation. And yeah, so they filmed that TikTok.
That's what I'm saying. Whatever happened to hello? Listen, let me take you to dinner. Can I take you out for a date? Now it's like, come chill. Like, who raised these boys?
I was like, maybe that's a problem we can actually make a song about. So I reached out to Sarah, and she was such a wonderful singer and like a songwriter and like a whole brainstorming session. And we determined that the song's gonna be about these boys, and it's gonna be about like who raised them, that they were, you know, as like kind of like as a joke, why they're acting like this, what went wrong in the process. And then so we started with the lyrics. Is like, they tell me to come chill, like come through, and they use all these like things you would tell your friends, but some guys in Toronto actually they use this as I guess a pickup line. So we kind of like knew what the idea was, and then I was like, okay, but it has to be a dance song because like it's a song for me, and my brand is all about dance music and has to be upbeat. As she was working on the lyrics and the words and kind of like what to say, I was working on the actual beat of the song and actually like the chorus and like kind of like the dancey part. And so yeah, let me walk you through that part. Okay. Yes, I need my glasses because I'm an old man.
What?
So the song at first, it starts with just a filtered bass, which sounds like this. It's a very like tech house bass. And to even add some, like to add more to it, I added a pluck sound to make it more interesting. And then so adding that would sound like this. So that's what, just to give it a little bit of like high end to that bass, just so you can hear it on your phones and things like that, which don't have you can't play that on your like phone, like you can't really hear it because of the speakers. But after that you have the clap. Okay, so let's just start with the vocals, right?
I'm curious. What happened to the guys that actually asked us on real dates? They ask you how your day was going, bought you flowers. Now they just Google some generic pickup line and try to slide it to your DMs.
Okay, yes. Funny story, Google pickup lines and slide into your DMs. When I was new to the dating scene in university, I don't know, I didn't know what to say when you first matched with someone on Tinder or different dating apps. So I would literally Google what to say, and it would be the cheesiest. I mean, looking back now, oh god, what was I doing? But it would give us, or give me, some cheesy pickup lines, and they barely worked. So, and thank god that they barely worked. Some of the story has parts of truth in it from like me, but then we exaggerated parts of it to make it funny and gimmicky and all that stuff. But essentially, yeah, that was kind of like a quick kind of side story that just came to mind. But let's just play the song.
I'm curious. What happened to the guys that actually asked us on real dates? They ask you how your day was going, but you
Yeah, so we got the kick.
Now they just Google some generic pickup line and try to slide it to your DMs. Telling me, did it hurt when you fell from heaven?
Yeah, so the song is just, if I take out the vocals, this is what it's gonna sound like. Let's go to like the chorus or the drop. Okay, what makes a catchy drop in my opinion? There are 3 elements to it. The first, I think, is the bass. The bass and the kick and how the two just work together. And essentially like this. So we got the bass. But alone, it's not very interesting, just the bass itself. So we add a kick to it. Now let's see how that sounds. Okay, sounds a lot better. Now, let's add the claps. Okay, it has more movement, it's more interesting, it has more energy, but we gotta keep it a little bit more interesting. So let's add in the hi-hats. Okay, now that we added the hi-hats, like it's a solid foundation for a song, right? But there's one element still missing, and that is the melody, or like the synthesizer or synth, or like the melody or the instrument, the lead. It's missing that. Let's just listen to that alone. So what I wanted this sound to be was a fat sound that would be more like a horn or like a trumpet sound, but a digital trumpet sound, and I needed to be fat. I needed to be just wide, just big, so when you're playing it on big sound systems or big festivals, you really hear the strength of it. And yeah, so let's add that to everything else we have, and it sounds like this. The hi-hats. Okay, now we have the chorus or the drop of the song, and we put everything together, including the vocals. This is what we get.
Like, who raised these boys?
Okay, yes. So I pretty much covered how the song was made, the inspirations, and kind of like what got me inspired to make the song, and how the different elements play a part with each other. Yeah, if you haven't heard the song before, or you haven't seen the music video and just heard it on Spotify, yeah, there is a music video for it, which was a ton of fun making it. I do have some behind the scenes footage of the song, of how the music video for These Boys was made, so that can be a cool video. Let me know how you like it. If you haven't seen the music video, go check it out. If you haven't checked out any other songs that are on Spotify, there's plenty more coming. Please don't tell other people, because you know, it's something between you and me. And yeah, so you're getting the sneak peek of kind of like the news that there's projects that are happening. I know I've been quiet for a little bit, but yes, big projects, some additions to my new team. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, or more kind of like if you want to kind of be along for the journey. It's going to be a fun one. There are plenty more other videos for you to watch, and I'm gonna have a video, actually, not this side. Let's do this side. There's gonna be another video this side that I'm sure you're gonna enjoy and watch. And so yeah, until the next video, take care, peace.